Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the phase 1 and phase 2 reactions occurring in the liver. So when we eat a drug, it moves from mouth to the stomach and intestine where it digests and metabolizes. So there is not a fully metabolization and it absorbs directly into the blood. After blood it goes to the heart through systemic veins. Then the heart will pump this drug to the different body parts where it performs its actual function, or you can say the therapeutic effect it can be shown. Then it metabolizes in the liver, and after metabolization it gets excreted out through kidneys and urine. So this is the basic pathway of a drug. Now in liver it metabolizes into two steps. There are phase 1 and phase 2 reactions which are occurring, which metabolize the drug and forms it into a water soluble form or a polar form. The phase 1 reaction is also known as an catabolic reaction because it digests or it breaks the drug into smaller molecules, whereas phase 2 reaction is anabolic where the polar molecule gets attached to the small broken particles and makes them water soluble. Now phase 2 reaction is also known as conjugation reaction. In phase 1 reaction the drug can be converted into active form or inactive form both, but in phase 2 reaction the drug is converted only into inactive form. But there is some exception in phase 2 reaction, for example morphine or minoxidil. These two drugs are converted into active form in phase 2 reactions. Now the reactions which are occurring in phase 1 are your oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, your hydrolysis reaction, and deamination reaction. These all are occurring in phase 1. Your saccharization, your desaccharization, etc. In phase 2, there is a most common reaction which occurring in phase 2 is glucuronide conjugation reaction. Other reactions like acetylation, methylation, sulfation, glutathione conjugation. So these all are the reactions of phase 2 reactions. Now the genetic polymorphism is seen in both phase 1 and phase 2 reactions. What do you mean by genetic polymorphism? So genetic polymorphism is nothing but you can you can understand that a single gene can make different copies of enzymes and in different varieties of enzymes. एक सिंगल जीन डिफरेंट टाइप्स के एंजाइम्स को फॉर्म कर सकता है और उसकी नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज़ ही वो बहुत ज़्यादा बना सकता है, तो उसे कहते हैं पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म. After that, the phase 1 reactions are occurring in the hepatocytes, in the hepatocyte cells in SER, small endoplasmic reticulum. So these are also known as macrosomal reactions because SER is also known as macrosome. So phase 1 reactions are also known as macrosomal reactions because they are occurring in SER. Whereas phase 2 reactions are occurring outside the SER, so they are known as non-macrosomal reactions except glucuronide conjugation. This reaction is occurred in the SER, so it is known as macrosomal reaction. Otherwise phase 2 all reactions are non-macrosomal. The phase 2 reactions are not affected by drug, but the phase 1 reactions can be affected by drug because some drugs are enzyme inducers and some drugs are enzyme inhibitors. So the enzyme, mainly CYP enzyme, is required in phase 1 reaction. So some drug can induce CYP enzyme and some drugs can inhibit the function of CYP enzyme. So the phase 1 reactions can be affected through by the drug, but in phase 2 reactions there is no affection by the drug. So this is all about the phase 1 phase 2 reactions occurring in the liver. Thank you.